Hello everyone, this is K.Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Engineering. So in this video, we are going to say about the fundamental steps and components in digital image processing. So in the last video, we saw the basics of digital image processing, and let us move on to the fundamental steps in digital image processing. So before that, the main purpose of DIP is divided into 5 groups: visualization, image sharpening and restoration. So visualization, the objects which are not visible, they are observed. Image sharpening and restoration, it is used for better image resolution. And image retrieval, an image of interest can be seen. Measurement of pattern, in an image all the objects are measured. Image recognition, that is each object in an image can be distinguished. So this is the fundamental steps of an digital image processing. The first one is problem domain, that is image acquisition. So image acquisition is the first step of the fundamental steps of DIP. In this stage, an image is given in the digital form. Generally in this stage, pre-processing such as scaling is done. And the second one is image enhancement. Image enhancement is the simplest and most attractive area of a DIP. In this stage, the details which are not known, or we can say that interesting features of an image is highlighted, such as brightness, contrast, image. And the next one is image restoration. It is the stage in which the appearance of an image is improved. Color image processing. Color image processing is a famous area because it has increased the use of digital images on the internet. So this includes color modeling processing in a digital domain. The next one is wavelet and multi-resolution processing. So in this stage, an image is represented in various degrees of resolution. So the image is divided into smaller regions for data compression, for the pyramidal representation. And compression is the technique which are used for reducing the requirement of storing an image. It is a very important stage because it is very necessary to compress data for internet use. And seventh one is morphological processing. So morphological processing deals with tools which are used for extracting the components of the image, which is useful in the representation and description of shape. And the segmentation, so coming to segmentation, an image is partitioned into objects. So the segmentation is the most difficult task in digital image processing. It is a process which takes a lot of time for the successful solution of imaging problems, which requires objects to identify individually. And the representation and the description follow the output of the segmentation stage. The output is the raw pixel data, which has all the points of the region itself. To transform the raw data, representation is very important. So representation, the output is the raw pixel data. So to transform the raw data, representation is the only solution, whereas the description is used for extracting information to differentiate one class of objects from another. And the final stage is object recognition. In this stage, the label is assigned to the object, which is based on descriptors. So, and the knowledge base. And the knowledge base is the last stage in DIP. In this stage, important information of the image is located, which limits the searching process. The knowledge base is very complex when the image database has a high resolution details. So these are the fundamental steps in image processing. And the components of the digital image processing system or image processing system is a combination of different elements involved in digital image processing. So digital image processing uses different computer algorithms to perform image processing on the digital images. It consists of the different components. The first one is image display. computer, and mass storage. Hard copy device, image processing hardware, and image processing software, and image sensors. So these are the components which are used. So it is the combination of the elements involved in the digital image processing. So in digital image processing, the storage is the main affecting criteria, because the digital image requires more storage space, so that is why compressing is used. And image processing is the image sensors senses the intensity, amplitude, coordinates, and other features of the images, and passes the result to the image processing hardware. It includes problem domain. So the image processing hardware is the dedicated hardware that is used to process the instructions obtained from the image sensor. It passes the result to the general purpose computer. And computer used in the image processing system is the general purpose computer that is used by our day-to-day life. And image processing software is the software that includes all the mechanisms and algorithms that are used in the image processing system. And storage, I have explained. On hard copy devices, once the image is processed, then it is stored in the hard copy device. It can be pen drive or external ROM device. And image display, it includes monitor or display screen. And network is the connection of all the above elements of the processing system. So these are the main components of the digital image processing system. So in this video I have covered the fundamental steps of digital image processing and the various components used in digital image processing. Hope this video will help you to understand the fundamental steps and components of an digital image processing system. Thank you.